Chef Keema. I'm a private chef here in Bel Air, Maryland, and I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite dishes, pan-seared pork chops with a side of okra and stuffed squash blossoms. And I'm going to be getting all of my product here at Bel Air's Farmers Market. Ready to shop? Let's go. Hey, Mike, how you doing today?
Hey, Chef.
I am looking to do some pork today. I'm not sure if I want to do pork steak or pork chop. What do you have today?
Now, this is the pork steak. It's a fresh ham steak. It's got the bone in it.
Okay.
And these are the chops right here.
These are bone-in?
Yes, they're bone-in, yeah.
Okay. Oh, I like that right there.
You like these right here?
Yes.
Okay.
That's going to be perfect.
There you go.
Thanks so much. Oh, it smells so sweet. These look delicious.
Good morning.
Hey,
how are you,
Becky.
Chef? Good to see you this morning.
Good to see you. So I am looking for some fresh okra today.
So we just picked it yesterday, and we have some that's a little bigger, some's a little smaller.
Oh my gosh, squash blossoms.
Yes, we have squash blossoms. Now what are you gonna do with these?
I'm gonna stuff them and fry them.
What are you gonna stuff them with?
Some Boursin cheese.
Nice, nice.
It's very underappreciated.
I think so too. So in the tomato department, I do a lot of heirlooms, but these cherry tomatoes are beautiful.
Well, fresh is best, right?
That's the sweetest tomato on the table.
Oh my gosh, I like this here.
Excellent. Let me find you a bag for that one. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very
have a great week. We'll see you next week, and good luck with succotash.
Thank you very much. See you
All
next
right.
weekend.
There you are.
All right, folks. I had a great time here at Bel Air's Farmers Market. My basket is full, and now I have all the ingredients I need. So let's get cooking. Hey, folks. Welcome to my kitchen. Look at all of the great produce that I got from the Farmers Market today in Bel Air. We're gonna start with our succotash. So I got our fresh okra, we got some corn, and we have some tomatoes. So we're gonna get ready to do the stuffed squash blossoms. I am using my favorite soft cheese. You can use whatever you like, goat cheese, Gournay cheese, whatever you prefer. And a piping bag is best because you can actually nestle it right into it. We got some center cut pork chops. So I'm gonna season this up pretty simply with some salt, some pepper, and then chili powder. I can't live without chili powder. Dark chili powder, it's my go-to for a lot of things. And we're gonna flip it and do the same thing to the other side. And there we go. We're gonna add a little grapeseed oil to our pan. Always lay it down going away from you. I'm going to go ahead and add some bacon fat so we can go ahead and start the succotash. That's going to add so much flavor to the succotash already. And for this, you're really just waiting for everything to kind of come together. It doesn't take that long. For the pork chop, we're just waiting for a nice golden color. So they're probably just going to need about 4 minutes or so on each side. It's sizzling the way we want. Oh yeah, look at that. It's bubbling. Squash blossoms do not need a lot of time. We're talking like 2 minutes or less, okay? Remember, they are delicate. Okay, so I'm gonna take this pork out now to rest. Look at that color, you see? That's all you really need for the squash blossoms. Everything is nice and crispy. If you notice, this really did not take that long. So you can go out there to the market, do your shopping, get back home, have something done in like the nick of time. All these fresh ingredients, you really don't have to cook them forever. So we have our pork chop, some of this delicious succotash. Add in a couple of these squash blossoms. And here we go. Your family's gonna love it, you're gonna love it. Super simple, very tasteful. Okay. I might be a little bit biased, but I'm also pretty honest, and this is delicious, okay? Everything in one bite. Got my tomato, my okra, and my corn. Now I have to try the squash blossom. Oh my goodness, that is so good. mpt.org/farm. Get the recipe, try it for yourself. Keep it tasteful. Peace.
Thanks for watching Maryland Farm and Harvest. We hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. To learn more about our show and watch full episodes, check out mpt.org/farm or just click the link in the description.